For tonight's dinner, I'm making some of this. This is one of Chris's favorite. We are having musky pops. Musky pops, guys. It's like I just made it up. Made up dish. Hopefully the Korean won't be mad at me. Tteokbokki rice cakes. Guys, in the Philippines, this is just like bilo-bilo. Tteokbokki rice cake, fish cake, the glass noodles, pork again. Love my pork. Onion, garlic, and green onions. Sugar, water, and I'm using this gochujang. It's really spicy. It's like a red paste. Very spicy. That's why I have my sugar. Sesame seed, chicken powder, olive oil, salt and pepper. And I made some side dishes. So what I need to do is boil this until it's soft. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Win's Life here. I don't know if I mentioned it correctly a while ago. I can't remember. This is the fish cake, guys, and it has vegetable added to it. I get this from Korean store. Any Korean store you can get this. So I'm just cutting it in half. So I guess this one is just for me. I don't know if Chris is going to like it. But anyway, I also finished boiling the rice cake, the tteokbokki. Tteokbokki. I don't know how to pronounce it properly, so that it's what it looks like. And so I mentioned it a while ago, guys, that this is just like, you know, the bilo-bilo that we make for our ginataan. The one that we have in the Philippines that we use for our ginataan is just, you know, we form it like a balls, but it's the same thing. And this is Chris's one. Well, I say that one of Chris's favorite. So it doesn't really have a lot of flavor, guys. It just absorb whatever you add to it, the sauce. So guys, I decided to also put some ketchup, so I don't need to add a lot of that red paste because it's really spicy. So I cut the fish cake in half. So let us start sauteing the pork. Olive oil, garlic, onions, pork, I wanted to use pork belly, but I don't have some. Pork belly is probably very delicious with it. I'm going to add the gochujang sauce. Ooh, that's spicy. I get this sauce from the Korean store too, guys. And I'm going to put a little bit of ketchup. We're cheating. I'm gonna try it if it is really spicy. So if it is not really spicy, I'm gonna add a little bit more. And since we are adding sugar, I'm gonna add that much more because it is spicy. I'm not putting any more pepper, black pepper. I'll put more ketchup. And I'm going to put the sugar. Then the water. Chicken powder. Little bit of salt. Gonna let that boil. It is now time to add the rest of the ingredients, guys. I'll start with the fish cake. Tteokbokki. You have to separate this. Some of the noodles. I'm not putting all the noodles. Just a little bit. Then some of the green onions. I wanted to make it a little reddish color, but I'm afraid of that sauce because it's really spicy. I tasted it and my mouth is still burning. Then I'm just going to reduce the broth a little bit. Oh my. Woohoo! Look at that. Take a look at our musky pops. So musky pops, guys, for the one who doesn't know what musky pops, it's a Tagalog word. Musky papano. Musky papano, like whatever it is. Look at that. Now I am going to put some sesame seeds. And some more green onions. And I have some side dish, guys. This is potato that I pan fried it and put some sesame seed. Second side dish, broccoli that I blanch and I put sesame oil and sesame seed and salt and pepper. Oh, also with this salt and pepper. I cannot wait to try it. This is gonna be hard to get because the noodle is going to be very slippery. Slippery. Let me try the tteokbokki first. Tteokbokki. If the tteokbokki absorb the sauce. Ooh, it's spicy. I'm sure of course it's not spicy. I wish I added a little bit more sugar. Let's try this fish cake. Let me see if he's gonna like this. Wow. Oh man. That is so good. You know what guys, this one tastes like kikiam. Tastes like kikiam from the Philippines. Let us try to get some noodles. Did I say eating time? Kain guys! It's not unang subo anymore. The noodles is so good. That's why I know pork belly will be really good with this dish. Here comes my taster. Maybe for him I add a little bit more gochujang. Gochujang. Ready to eat? I have to serve him guys. Hold on. Wait lang.
Finish.
It won't take long. Anyway, it's only 5:15. I can wait. Let's try our side dish. The potato. The noodles, guys. It has more flavor than the tteokbokki. The noodle seems like it absorbed the sauce better than the tteokbokki. Tteokbokki. So maybe tomorrow it will taste better. If there's some left over for tomorrow. Potato's good. It takes away the spiciness in my mouth. Let's try the broccoli. And after this, I'll say bye. So Chris can eat. Oh, it's yummy. Last one, I promise. Ooh, spicy. I need something to drink. I'm gonna eat potato. Oh, remove the spiciness in my mouth. My mouth is on fire. This mouth is on fire. This girl is on fire. So there you go, guys. Our musky pops, Korean style. Hopefully the Koreans are not gonna be mad at me for making musky pops of their ingredients. Let me know, guys, if you have Korean store where you live. So thank you guys so much for watching. Happy eating, everyone. Bye for now. Mwah.